Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today I'm going to try to replace the battery in my Xiaomi G1 vacuum mop battery. So this is the battery I bought. So this is definitely not original, but I bought a custom made one. Not exactly custom made, but an increase in size. So I think the one inside here is only 2600, and I bought 3500 mAh one. So I'm not sure if the system can detect the increased capacity of the battery and charge it to fully, and then also extends the clean cycle time, because my one dies before cleaning my house, which is around 500 plus square, but it only cleans, but I mean I close all my rooms, so it should in theory cleans 300 plus square feet, but then it still stops. The battery still dies out before that, so I want to replace it. And let's see if this works. So first off, you need to power off your vacuum cleaner here, and then I take out your tank and flip it back. Take off your mop, and then you can also start taking off this sweeper, but don't mind how dirty my unit is, because I've been using it every other day. It's very dirty, and yeah. Next up, you remove the sweeper here, so let's also remove that. Yeah, so many hairs stuck on it. Not my hair. Right, okay. Now you need to remove some of the major square screws here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's remove that. And to give you an extra info, my units cannot detect the mop, so it actually doesn't mop, just sweeping. So even if sweeping, it can't do it in one cycle. So yeah. And previously the pump of the water pump broke off. So yeah, I tried to replace that, made a video of it, but I didn't post it because it still doesn't work, because it simply doesn't detect my mop, and so it can't start mopping. So yeah. Okay, yeah, I'm just checking if there's any other screws that I need to remove. Right, no more. So the 5 major screws off. Yep, so you have access to the battery now. So as you can see, this is the battery, but yeah, I think honestly. Okay, let me just make a comparison. So they are about the same size, and it does seem a bit bulkier. Probably I can take this off and see what's inside. I sense some hope. Oh, okay, so there's an adapter down here. Yeah, I was thinking this wire is a bit too short, I think. But yeah. Okay. Oh, good thing I opened this up. And then let's see. So yeah, this is an adapter. I'm gonna pull this off. Let's see how it connects. Oh, okay. So this is the original heading, and this is the replacement that came with it. So yeah, I think it works. So I'm just gonna put this in. This it only goes in one direction. As you can see, it's non-symmetrical. So just need to put this through, push this through, I hope. and then yeah, I got it in, and then yeah, cool. Almost gave up there. I mean, almost had to think that I need to re-record it on the other day, but yeah, let me just wrap it up here also. And perhaps we can also take this thing off. Let's see. I mean, this is a good cushion. I mean, it's original, so why not? Looks very sticky and reusable, I hope. I mean, it doesn't have to stick very well. Oh crap, I think I just scratched it off. Let me just try the other side. I hope this one comes up better, but it's still not complete. Just shows how sticky this thing is, right? Perhaps we can also take a look at the original battery's detail. So this is, I don't know if you can see it, but it doesn't say any capacity. No, it doesn't say any. That's disappointing. Wait, here. Oh, so yeah, it does say 2600. So this is original one. So I'm from BYD actually, so that's interesting. And this is the custom one. So we have increased the capacity by 900 mAh. Hopefully this works. Any models things, because I know this is using 18650 batteries. This two, and then there's no model for my replacement unit. However, the voltage output is slightly higher in the replaced unit. So this is using 14.4 volt, 36 watt hour, and but this is 14.8. Doesn't say anything about the watt hour, but I'm assuming it's higher because of higher voltage. But yeah, let's try and put this back and see if it works. So before that, probably just try and just stick this thing back and give it a go. I mean, it doesn't have to work 100%, but as long as you cushion it, I don't mind. Yeah, it barely works, but who cares? As long as it works. Well, now that I think about it, I didn't actually have to pull this off. I mean, this off because I could have just, unplug this part while this part stays here, and I could have changed the battery easily. And this video will be a lot shorter. But oh well. And then the battery should stay like this. Right. Yep. And then we're gonna put this cover back. Yeah. Five of them. The one with flat end. And then last, and then the and then the sweepers. So this one is hexagonal, so it's here. Right, and then one more. Right, And then I'm going to put this sweeper back. Don't mind the dirtiness. So I know it's very dirty. Okay, and then just one remark is these hairs are not mine, definitely, because my hair isn't that long. So yeah, so I'm gonna bring this to charge and see how it goes. And so I've moved it to my charging station and it's charging now, as you can see. So hopefully it works fine, and if I think this lasts longer, I'll put an update video to this. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share my video if you find this useful, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye bye. Oh, probably I'll drop a link to the battery I bought. Bye bye.